What's Gucci, guys? This is the latest video we've got here on Harmony One. It's quick. We're going to keep it to the point. It goes over a few things. What is it and how is it different? And why is it worth some money? You know what I'm saying? It's going to have a great year in 2022. I want to check it out. More videos coming.
As the world of decentralized finance continues to expand, there's just one outstanding challenge: the challenge of scalability. The Harmony One blockchain-based platform aims to solve this problem. It was built to deliver both scalability and decentralization without any one being at the expense of the other. Keep watching this video to learn all about the Harmony One protocol and its operations. Let's dive right in. It's commonly said that the distance between the DeFi space and the moon depends on how fast interchain transfers can be carried out. With the use of single-chain platforms for transactions, there are various limitations, and as such, more and more scalable cross-chain solutions are being introduced into the DeFi space. Harmony One is one of such solutions. It was built as a Layer 2 blockchain platform on the Ethereum network, and so makes it easier for developers to design dApps on the network. Harmony uses a technique called sharding to split the blockchain's network into parallel chains, called shards, to improve the speed and efficiency of the network at a lower cost. With this strategy, transactions are completed in less than 3 seconds on the platform, with a cost that is 100 times less than what is offered by other blockchains. For validation of transactions, Harmony uses the proof-of-stake model, which is more energy and cost-efficient. Holders of the One token have a say in decision-making of the Harmony platform via votes and can earn passive income via staking. The number of tokens you stake determines the number of nodes you can validate. In this way, higher staking validators run more nodes than lower staking ones. To build consensus, nodes on Harmony identify similar nodes that might be important to its consensus development so that they can involve them in the building process. This improves processing and cost-effectiveness. Adding a deep sharding mechanism by which both transactions and consensus layers undergo sharding, nodes are allowed to involve other similar nodes in consensus building. Next, we will talk about how Harmony protects itself from hacking, which is not uncommon for new entries in the crypto world. Harmony uses a strategy called the distributed randomness generation, or DRG, to protect itself and its network from malicious actors. This strategy randomly assigns nodes to each shard, and so it's almost impossible for the code to guess the shard it will be assigned, and so the probability of a successful attack is very low. Other unique features of the Harmony blockchain that could take the DeFi space a notch higher include the special non-custodial wallet, DeFi protocol for stablecoins, and a cross-chain platform for Bitcoin. The One token can be purchased on several exchanges and currently sells at a price of $0.1832. That's all about Harmony One. We hope this was helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more great content like this one. Bye.